In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Favicon on Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new website or refreshing an existing one, customizing your Favicon is a perfect way to enhance your site's branding. Let's get started by navigating to the Squarespace dashboard and making those changes. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. If you have multiple sites under your account, you'll see all those listed in your dashboard. Take a moment to select the site you wish to work on. This is the one where you want to customize or update your favicon. Now, let's talk about getting into the settings area. As you glance over to the lower left corner of your screen, you'll see a menu option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can tweak many aspects of your website, but today we're focusing specifically on that small piece of branding, your favicon. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll notice another option labeled Website. Click on this to proceed to the next screen, which is filled with tools to help you tailor your site to perfection. Within this section, you'll see an option simply named Favicon. Click on that to transition to the final step of today's task. Here, you'll find the tools you need to personalize your favicon. You have a few different options available to you. You can upload a new favicon, replace your existing one, or edit the current one if you find that's all you need right now. If you're uploading a new image, make sure it's a small, square graphic that will be recognizable once it's shrunken down. A size of 32 by 32 pixels is ideal for favicons, ensuring clarity and a professional finish. Remember, your favicon is more than just a tiny graphic. It's a critical piece of your online identity. It appears in the browser's tab, bookmarks, and other important sections where users will encounter your brand. So, take this opportunity to express your brand's aesthetics and make sure your website stands out. Finally, once you've made your changes, make sure to save your work. Give it a few minutes for the changes to propagate. You might need to refresh your browser or clear your cache to see the update. But once that's done, voila! Your new favicon should be proudly displayed, giving your website an extra touch of professionalism. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage your Squarespace favicon. Thanks for following along and enjoy the improved look of your site, as these small changes can make a big impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your web presence. Until next time, happy customizing!